guys, I'm back, and today I'm actually going to be unboxing a pop. Now I already opened it, but like I didn't open it out of the box. So here it is. Okay, so we went on Amazon and we saw a coraline with raincoat on for sale. You could have a chance of getting a chase. So that's why we got it. Let's hope we get the chase. Okay, so I'm going to wait. Oh my god, I got the chase. Oh my god! Oh my god, I got it! Oh my god. We got the chase. Okay, let's look around the box. Hopefully it's not that destroyed. Oh shoot, it is. Dang it. But it's okay. I'll put it in a pop stack. Dang it, it's destroyed. Actually, I have a feeling maybe I should just trade a box or something. I don't know, but like over here, as you can see, I'm not sure if you can really see. It's destroyed. But it's okay. I'm just going to keep it in the box for now. Just keep it like a really rare pop. And yeah, this really needs a pop stack. So I'm so glad I got the chase. The chase is a limited edition, just letting you know, so it's pretty rare. Limited edition, I mean, goes over like $40 something, and I'm really glad I got the chase. So yeah, I'm just gonna carefully take it out of the box because the box is already destroyed. I'm just gonna take the plastic out. Oh, I don't know, but here it is in plastic. It looks amazing. I think you can hear my birds, but yeah, so I think that was worth it. Hopefully I can get a pop stack soon because it's a little destroyed. Yeah, I really need those pop protectors. Carefully inside because it's already kind of destroyed. Yeah, so that's the pop chase. Yeah, this is gonna be kind of a quick video, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like this video or comment, and see you soon. Next week is the next video, maybe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and